Miss Qualcheck here, and we're going to now continue with our phonics lessons. So if you are on phase 3, you can go back and look at my phase 3 phonics lessons. You can look at the playlist on my channel for all the phase 3 ones together. If you are on phase 5, you can continue with us now. We've worked our way up to the oi sound, so we're going to continue after the oi sound. But before we begin, make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper. If you don't have those, you can always use your magic finger and write in the air. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review our sounds that we've already learned. Now, I know it's been a couple weeks since we've done a phonics lesson. So if you're not sure, don't worry. I'm going to hold it up for 1 second, and then I will say the sound just to make sure that you either remember it or you're saying it correctly, okay? Oi, a, ow, e, I, and back to the beginning. All right, I'm going to shuffle these all up, make sure that they're nice and mixed up, and then we're gonna go through them as quickly as we can. All right, are you ready? Really well done, boys and girls. All right, now we're going to go over some words that have those sounds in them. So I will show you how to do the first one, and then after that you will do it, okay? Oi, Royal, your turn. Fantastic, now it's your turn to do it first. Bead, lovely. I, lie. Out, about. A, tray. Oi, toy. Heap, heap. Lovely. All right, now I'm going to pick 4 words, and we're going to be writing these words using our sounds, all right? So I will show you how to do the first one, then after that you will do it first. So our first word is proud, proud. So we first sound it out with our fret fingers. So we have p, ow, d. P, ow, d. Then we take our fingers and we transfer it onto our sheets. We have p, ow, d. P, ow, d. P, ow, ow, d. P, ow, d. Proud. So it should look like that. Right? Now it's your turn to do it first. So your word is clay. Clay. Go ahead and give it a go. Sound it out with your fingers first and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have a. A. So we start off with our k sound, and that one is a curly k. K, a. K, a. Clay. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, now our next word that you're going to do is going to be bead, bead. So sound it out with your fingers first, and then write it down on your board. Okay, so we have bead. We have b, e, d. B, e, d. So when we write it, we have our b sound first. Remember, our b has that belly. B, e, b, e, d. Bead. If you got that right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, and our last word that we are going to do is lie. Lie, like she didn't tell the truth, she told a lie. So sound it out with your fingers first and then write it down for me, please. All right, we have I. So a nice short one, two sounds. We have and then we have our I sound. I, lie. You got that right? Give yourself a nice tick. You got it wrong, please correct it. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to move on to our new sound. I'm quite excited because I really like this sound. This sound that we're going to learn is Fantastic. And we learned this sound before, but that's not our sound that we're doing today. Our sound that we're doing today looks like this. So can you please write this sound down on your piece of paper or in the air with your magic finger 5 times for me, please? Go ahead. All right, fantastic. What's that sound? Very good. So when you see this sound, I'm gonna hide it in our old sounds. When you see this sound, I want you to take your finger and pretend like you're stirring a pot. So when you see this sound, you're gonna go All right, are we ready? So it will look like this. So I show you it and you go All right. Don't forget you have to say all of the sounds that are held up. Okay? Aye, good. Fantastic. Let me hide that again. E. Ow. Very good. All right, I'm gonna hide it twice more. A. Oi. I. Very good. All right, the last time hiding it. This time I'm not going to say any of the sounds. You have to know them all. Very good. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, so we are now going to move on to reading words with a sound in them. So I'm going to show you how to do the first one. Then after that, you'll do it first, okay? So it'll look like this. Thirsty. All right? Now it's your turn to do it first. Shirt. Fantastic. Sir. First. Do 2 more. Birth. Bird. Lovely. Now I'm going to pick 4 words and we're going to then write them using our Fred fingers first, okay? So our first word that we're going to do is skirt. So we have skirt. sk, ert. So when we write it, we have our s. Oh, my pen's running out. Sorry, guys. S, k, our new sound. Sk, skirt. All right, now it's your turn to go first. We have the word girl, girl. So sound it out with your fingers first and then write it down for me, please. All right, we have g-er-ol, g-er-ol. So when we write it, drop my pen, sorry guys. We have g, then we have our new sound, our new sound, g-er-ol. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, our next word is third, third. So sound it out with your fingers first and then write it down for me, please. All right, we have erd. So when we write it, we have our th sound, which is our T and our H. Our new sound, that sound there. And then our final sound, d. If you got that right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, and our final word for today is shirt. Shirt. So sound it out with your fingers first and then write it down. All right, we have shirt. So our first sound is our sh sound, which is a S and a H. Sh. Our new sound. Shirt. Shirt. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right. Fantastic job today, boys and girls. Thank you for tuning in to today's phonics lesson. I hope to see you tomorrow for tomorrow's phonics lesson. Bye, guys.